Okay, guys, I'm gonna just play a song and let me just go ahead and say something. That's my uncle. He passed away. I don't know, like, I can't remember, but I'm gonna just play the funeral song. But I'm just gonna play the funeral song and hope. Anyways, this is for anybody that didn't get to say goodbye. Get ready.
I still see you in the places we were, like your face is painted on.
Okay, guys. I'm just gonna go somewhere.
I've been trying to forget all the moments that we spent, 'cause now I do it on my own. Oh, you and I were like this summer, but now it's winter.
Sorry, I just had to pause it for a second.
Here on my own. If I would've known that you wouldn't be here anymore, I would've made the moments last a little longer. 'Cause now I'm alone, and you're just a memory
Just sit
in my
here and listen.
mind. I would've given anything to say goodbye. If I would've known, if I would've known, I remember how we would laugh all the time, but now you're not around. And I'm just trying to find something else to fill the empty spaces you left behind. But nothing ever seems to work. I've been thinking about the things that you used to say, even not around. You're in my head every day, but it's fine, I don't mind. I promise I'll be okay. If I would've known that you wouldn't be here anymore, I would've made the moments last a little longer. 'Cause now I'm alone, and you're just a memory in my mind. I would've given it.
Guys, I'm actually tearing up.
Anything to say goodbye. If I would've known,
This is just really, really sad. Sorry. It's just, this is for anybody that never got the chance to say goodbye. If I would've known that you would have been here with me, oh, I don't even know what I would have done. Oh. but that was sad. Well, that's it for today. Bye.